Om Swastiastu! Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to make one of my favorite fried rice called nasi goreng ikan asin, which is fried rice cooked with salted fish. For the salted fish later, I'm using white beet. In Indonesia, this kind of fish we call it teri nasi or teri medan. And also later, I'm using garlic, chilies, white and black peppercorn for flavoring, some salted soy sauce, vegetable oil, salt and bouillon powder, of course rice, and spring onion. So let's make it. First, I'm going to grind the garlic, chilies, and peppercorn. So we grind it roughly. So this is the consistency we need. Put it aside. Next, let's slice the spring onion. So I cut this part into 2 pieces. Slice it thinly. So everything is prepared. Let's now start cook the fried rice. Add the vegetable oil. Add the paste that we grind earlier, which is garlic, chili, black and white peppercorn. Already smells so good. Now add the fish. Add this spring onion. Mix well. I turn down the heat. Add the rice. Add salt and mushroom bouillon powder. You can also use chicken or vegetable bouillon powder. Salty soy sauce. Mix well. Now I put on the heat, medium, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. And now add the salted butter, optional because I like it, and sesame oil. It smells so good. So I cook for another 1 minute. or until the butter is melted. So it's ready, let's put it aside. So next, let's prepare the prawns. So I use prawn here as a condiment, which is this prawn I already seasoned with salt and pepper. Add a coconut oil. Turn on the heat because we're going to grill the prawns. Let's add the prawns. I'm going to glaze the prawns with little bit of honey, both sides. So the prawn is ready. Next, we're going to prepare the fried egg. My father used to say, fried rice without egg is not fried rice. Let's put it aside. So here also I'm going to add some sweet soy sauce with slice of chilies as a condiment. Next, I'm going to prepare the tomato and cucumber. So Indonesian nasi goreng always come with the tomato and cucumber. I think it's quite nice, it's quite refreshing. So everything is prepared. Let's plate it now. I start with shape the fried rice. Add some prawns. Tomato and cucumber. Egg. Achar. Prawn crackers. Chilies and sweet soy sauce. Fried shallot. So here we are, nasi goreng ikan asin. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes. And also I'm opening my cooking class in Bali. If you are in Bali and would like to join my cooking class, please drop me your email. I put my email address in the description below. And I hope you enjoy the video. Matur suksema. Bye-bye.